Hello creative minds, welcome to one more interesting drawing tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to draw a bull in an Indian design style. To get a better understanding, follow the steps as shown and start with the basics. Hold paper in landscape mode. Pause the video, complete the drawing step and proceed. In the end, use color references as shown. This will be the final result. Now, let's start for drawing. Start with a bean shape. In this design, curve lines plays an important role. We are getting inspired by the natural shape of bull, and with the help of these curve lines, we are creating a rhythm in the design. Now, erase the lines which marked in red. We are done with the outer shape of the bull. Get ready for designing and details. When observing Indian miniature paintings, one can notice an abundance of decorative forms and shapes. Now, let's draw a suitable frame around this bull design. Great work! It's time to get creative with colors. Let's use green and red for the background and pink, blue and yellow for the flowers. Don't forget to add some yellow for the bull too. Have a fun! Does it look good? Shall we create an outline to enhance its beauty? That's it. I'm sure you did your best. Send it on WhatsApp and take feedback. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Have a great day.